The key to
Imagine that
success
heavy
isn't in the big
physical
moments.
silence in your
It's in the
chest
small
after
daily
a long
actions you
day of
repeat
not speaking
consistently.
to anyone.
Stay
If you
consistent,
feel like
stay
you have
resilient,
zero
and
friends
you
right
will see
now,
real
you
progress.
might think you're failing. But here's the truth. Loneliness is a biological survival signal, just like hunger. It's your body's way of telling you your social needs aren't being met, and it's a reality for nearly a third of adults. Having no friends isn't a personal flaw, it's a situational challenge. With the shift toward digital
The biggest
spaces,
barrier to getting
many
started
people
on is
find themselves in a
overthinking.
transition
Don't wait for
season
perfect
where
conditions.
social circles
Take
have
that
thinned
first
out.
step, momentum,
You aren't
and
broken,
momentum
the
leads to results.
environment
Hi
has
everyone,
simply
I'm
changed.
excited to share
To
something
fix
new.
this, don't try
We've
to
been
find a
working on a
best
project
friend
that
overnight.
combines
Instead,
creativity
rebuild
and
your social
technology.
muscles
It's going
through
to be
micro interactions. A simple hello to a neighbor or a quick comment to a barista can boost your well-being.
The key to
These
success isn't
low-stakes
just talent
moments
or luck.
prove to your brain that the
It's about
world is
showing
a
up
safe
every
place.
single day.
When you're ready,
putting in
focus
the
on
work even
activity-based
when you don't feel
socializing.
good.
Join a group for
Consistency.
a hobby you love,
It's
like
not
a
about
workshop
big
or
leaps,
volunteer
but small
project.
steps
When you're
every
busy
day.
with a shared task,
Start
the pressure
today.
to perform disappears. Finally, learn the difference between loneliness and solitude. Loneliness
This hand
is
scraper is
unwanted
essential for
isolation,
preparing the
but
wood.
solitude
I'll
is
show
a
you how it's
chosen
done.
state of
A
self-reflection that
smooth, even
recharges you.
stroke removes
By
the
turning
anxiety. I used to doubt
alone
myself,
time into
thinking I
productive
couldn't achieve my
solitude,
goals.
you reduce the
But
feeling
I
of
learned that with the right
desperation
mindset,
and build the
I could
foundation for
overcome any
genuine
obstacle.
connection.
And now,